Good morning, everyone. Brian here with JoCo Outdoors. It's our second day of camping, our first full day. It's our first morning. We're going to do a mountain man breakfast, and we're going to show you how we do everything. We're going to start out, we're going to go through all the ingredients and how we cook it and everything, and I'm going to add a little bit extra in there. I'm going to add some bacon in there, so that's what we're about to start cooking. Alright, let's get to it, and we will see you guys when we're done cooking everything and how the meal turns out. Alright guys, we have our Dutch oven here. It is an Overmont Dutch oven, and it's brand new. We found it on Amazon. We'll leave the link below. We got it for about 40 bucks, and it comes with a handle to grab the top with to pull the top off so that we don't have to worry about using any gloves and getting our hands hot. Sorry about the smoke. This is what we're cooking our Mountain Man breakfast in. So we're going to start doing that, and I'm going to show you the process we go through. We're going to start with the sausage and then just work our way up through everything. Alright guys, we're going to put in our sausage. We're always going to use a plastic. We're going to use a plastic spatula right here because you don't want to do anything to scrape all that and mess up the seasoning on the pan. A wood spatula would probably be preferred because it won't really scratch anything, but it won't melt either. So keep that in mind. Let it brown just like you would any other kind of, beef or anything like that. What we've done is we've put the lid on just for maybe a minute, maybe two, just so that these bell peppers and these onions can caramelize and soften up. And then next we're going to put in Ore-Ida potatoes O'Brien. It's already got some green peppers and onions in it, but we're going to keep with what we got. Alright guys, so now we have the coals on top of the Dutch oven. We're gonna let this cook for probably about 3 minutes, then come back and check everything and see where it's at, and hopefully it should be done by then. Alright guys, so here's the final solution. It took more than 3 minutes. It took probably about 15-20 minutes for us because we had so much, and we ended up actually having to mix ours up. A lot of the videos I watched didn't really require you to mix them up, but this turned out really good. It's like a casserole type dish, and this is probably going to be enough for 2 days. I was kind of getting worried, but this is actually enough for 2 days. So that's what the Mountain Man breakfast looks like. You can add a little bit of hot sauce to it if you want to, a little bit of peppers. You can add salt, pepper, whatever. Just put your own seasoning on there. I didn't put any this time because my family doesn't always like the seasonings that I like, so we just all do our own thing. All right, that's the Mountain Man breakfast. All right, Elijah, say the blessing for us.
God is great. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for your goodness. Thank you for this food and for our bodies for your strength.
Amen. All right, dig in. Tell me what you think. I'd say it's a success. It needs just a little bit of salt, but it's a success. What do you guys think about it? Really good. First time cooking a Mountain Man breakfast. I'd say it's really good. Thanks, guys.